I'm very excited to show you around the Volvo construction equipment facility here in Belley, France. This is where we bring life to our Volvo compact excavators under 6 ton. This is where everything begins, our warehouse. We use both high-tech robotic welders as well as highly skilled operators. On its way to the painting shop, every component is going to go through one of our machining centers to get to the perfect shape down to 1/100th of a millimeter precision. Here you can see components hanging on hooks ready for painting. Along the process, they're going to go through thorough washing, drying, priming, coating, and hardening, all to make sure that they are fully prepped before moving on to the assembly line. Every single product we manufacture here goes down the same line, whether it's diesel or electric, small or large. The line itself has 7 working stations supported by sub-assembly lines. Step by step, every component is added to the machine, from frames to engine, hydraulics, cab. This is where we store and get our machines ready for their new homes, and then notify our carriers so they can pick them up in batches for delivery. I hope you enjoyed this little journey as much as I enjoyed showing you around. Goodbye.